Today, we've got an exciting tutorial for you on Blender 4.0, where we'll be diving into the fascinating world of fire simulations. So, let's get started. Alright, first, add a sphere to your scene. Now, navigate to the Object menu, choose Quick Effects, and then click on Quick Smoke. This is the starting point for our fire simulation. Firstly, adjust the resolution divisions to 140 for that extra detail. Enable Delete an Obstacle for a cleaner simulation. Now, head to Border Collision and activate the top option. Turn on Adaptive Domain for more efficiency. In the Gas section, enable the Noise option to add some natural chaos to our fire. And lastly, select the Fireball, Sphere, and change the flow type to Fire plus Smoke. Now, it's time to bring some life to our fire simulation. Let's start with the shading process. Impressive, right? If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting Blender content, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time.